Where will you go tomorrow?
I will go to the park.
When will you wake up?
I will wake up at 7 a.m.
How will you go to work?
I will take the bus.
Who will cook dinner?
My mom will cook dinner.
Will you do the laundry today?
Yes, I will do it this afternoon.
What will you wear to the party?
I will wear my blue dress.
Where will you shop for groceries?
I will shop at the supermarket.
When will you clean your room?
I will clean it this evening.
How will you spend the weekend?
I will relax and watch TV.
Where will you go for vacation?
I will go to Spain.
What will you pack for the trip?
I will pack clothes and snacks.
When will you leave for the airport?
I will leave at 5 a.m.
How will you travel?
I will fly by plane.
Who will go with you?
My friends will go with me.
Will you visit famous places?
Yes, I will visit many landmarks.
What will you do at the beach?
I will swim and relax.